Hey guys, Dave the Watchman coming at you here with another video review of another watch. Today I have the an OLEVS square-faced leather chronograph watch to review. This is, in my opinion, another great watch from the company OLEVS. I do not get sponsored by OLEVS. I do not get paid anything for these reviews. It's just my personal opinion on whether I would, whether I'm satisfied with the purchase of these watches, and just trying to help you guys make a decision as to whether or not, if you're on the fence about one of these watches, hopefully it'll steer you in the right direction and you'll be satisfied with these watches as well. So let's get into it. This one is, like I said, the OLEVS square-faced leather chronograph watch. I believe right now this watch is on Amazon for about $50, roughly. And honestly, pretty good quality watch. I mean, it's got a nice styling. It's very sleek and elegant and sporty as well. I think it's made pretty well. It's pretty durable. Nice leather strap. This watch, like I said, you can get it for a great deal. I think right now they're even offering a 5% coupon on Amazon. So you can probably pick it up probably for somewhere in the neighborhood of $45, really. I mean, very, very nice watch. It fits well. It's not as ergonomic as some of the other watches are, some of the round face watches. You can see it's got kind of a flat body. But that doesn't stop it from being comfortable. I mean, it is a comfortable watch. It doesn't have a big round face. It's not, like some of these other watches with the big round face. So it does fit your wrist pretty well. Uh, let's see here. So I can show you there. It just kind of fits right on there. It's got kind of like an old school feel, like an 80s watch. And there you go. It does fit very well on the wrist. It looks sharp with a dress shirt. It looks sharp with a t-shirt. You could go either way with this thing, honestly. It's not too sporty and it's not too elegant to wear with any. I mean, you could wear this with anything, really. It's a really nice watch. It's got that carbon fiber look on the face. It's got the gold accents. All the sub dials work. It's multifunction. Everything's great. The nice leather strap. It seems to be well crafted. It's a very nice watch. It's supposed to be water resistant. Once again, I haven't subjected any of my watches to any type of deep water, so I wouldn't know the whether the claims of being waterproof or water resistant are actually any good or whatever. But once again, really, really nice watch. It's a good quality watch. It's nice and solid, fits the wrist well. It's a good wear. It looks like it's got a little bit of a Hublot design following, with the square face and the black. Based on what I've seen with some of their watches, it looks pretty similar to some of them, but I don't think it's a direct copy of any watch. If it is a direct copy of a certain watch, just leave that in the description below, because I'd like to know which one this actually follows. I haven't been able to find a twin for this anywhere. As far as I know, this is the OLEVS. This is their design, but I could be wrong. Like I said, if you can find the twin to this watch, let me know so I can compare it to the original and maybe do another video on this watch. But yeah, I am definitely very happy with this watch. It's a nice watch. It's got the stainless steel back. It's got all of the laser inscription on the back. It's really nice. It's looks like it says it's an OLS 9925. So I guess that's their number for this watch. But very, very nice watch. I'm coming out with more watch videos. I've got a whole bunch on the way, and I'm looking forward to seeing some of your comments on these watches, whether you've got some and you have an opinion on them, whether you like them, whether you don't like them. And also, if you have another watch that you're up in the air about buying and you want me to do a review on it, let me know. I'll buy it and I'll shoot a quick video and I'll post it up here and get it up here so you can kind of take a look at the video and see what you think. But yeah, let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. I'll be coming out with some more watch videos. So if you're a watch enthusiast and you're not looking to break the bank, my videos are the videos you're going to want to follow, because I don't like to spend a lot of money on watches, but I like to have nice watches. And I think I've got a few brands out there that I've got on order, and I'm going to be doing a lot more videos and let you know what I think about these watches. So, Dave the Watchman, I'm out. See you next time.